It's my 1971 GMC C10. It's got 20-inch Riddler wheels, black, murdered out front end. Recently put a FITECH fuel injector in it. It runs great, no complaints. Those that are thinking about it should. You can tell it's down there. It's in a V8 350 engine. Again, runs strong. Just put a new air conditioner in the truck. Still got work to do. Swinging around to the driver's side. Again, this truck, no complaints, none whatsoever. Still got work I want to get accomplished. Still got some work on the bed. Interior, it's not bad. It's got two bucket seats, red over black. So anyways, this is my truck. I just recently put the fuel tank to the back. Give you another look from this end. So anyways, for those thinking about that truck with the FITECH engine injectors, definitely a plus.